Number 5.
Sometimes your daily journeys can feel like a chore. You just want to get there quicker, without all the stress and effort, and arrive in a good mood. That's why we made a bike that makes your journey shorter, easier, and enjoyable. The new A-Bike Electric is the lightest and most compact electric bike. It's really simple. Just hop on and A-Bike does the work for you. The dual chain drive makes pedaling easy. The electric power assistance automatically kicks in to keep you up to speed, to keep going, and going. To power up for your next ride, plug it straight in or charge it somewhere else. It's the lightest electric bike, so it's really easy to carry. Go wherever you want and save time by taking shortcuts. Take on any hill, no effort, no sweat. The award-winning telescopic design means you can fit A-Bike Electric into any journey. So you can take a seat, tuck it away in a taxi, and get through the crowds. You don't need to worry about finding a spot in the bike park, just take it in with you. When you arrive, the A-Bike Electric folds away in seconds.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
The Pi bike is a bicycle made out of carbon fiber in the shape of the pi symbol. Here's how we made the first prototype out of resin. Martin Kuman and Tadas Maximovas started this project after being inspired by the Pi bike illustration created by Malaysian illustrator Yao Hung. We embraced the challenge to take a simple drawing and make it into a fully functioning bicycle. First, we sketched out the frame shape, then measured the actual bike to check whether the proportions would fit industry standards. After this, the shape was tweaked, adjusted and tested using scale models made out of cardboard and plywood. Once the frame size and shape were locked, we made molds to cast the frame out of resin. After casting the frame, we sanded it down and assembled the bike. We used 8-bar super crankset, Nitto track racing bars, and Hydra fixie wheels. All these parts were hand adjusted to fit the frame. However, that was only half of the work, as new molds had to be made for the final version of the frame, which was cast out of the stronger enforced carbon fiber. Then, of course, the bike had to be assembled again. Making the Pi bike was a difficult process, and certainly wasn't as easy as pie.